Today we shall study about determiners. What is determiners? The word that determine limit the meaning of noun or pronoun, that is called determiners. Now example, every man should go on strike. Here every is an example of determiner. Another example, all animals are kept in cages. Here all is an example of determiners. Other examples, a, and, the, some, each, this, my. These are the examples of determiners. These are the examples of determiners. Now determiners in a bit detail. There are so many types of determiners: definite article, indefinite article, demonstrative, pronoun or possessive determiners, quantifiers, numbers, distributives, difference words, and predeterminers. Generally they are divided in these parts: determiners and definite articles. The is an example of definite article, and indefinite article a and an. In demonstrative determiners, this, that, these and those. Pronoun or possessive determiners, my, your, his, her, its, our, their. These are the examples. Quantifiers, a few, a little, much, many, a lot of, most, some, any, enough. They are the quantifiers. Number 1, 10, 30. This is an example of numbers in determiners. Distributives, all, both, half, either, neither, each, every. These are the examples of distributives determiners. Now difference words, other and another. They are the examples of difference words in determiners, and also predeterminers, such, what, rather, quite. So these are the determiners and examples, the words which are kept in that particular category: definite article, indefinite article, demonstratives, pronoun or possessive determiners, quantifiers, numbers, distributives, difference words, and predeterminers. So let us know more about determiners. We have seen determiners are either articles, demonstratives, interrogatives, possessives, or quantifiers. Okay, and their examples are also given. We can know about these determiners. Now see some examples. Articles. Articles are also kept in the category of determiners. Now see, example of article, I know the man who is standing on the road. Here the is an example of article in determiners. Another example, there is a man on the road. There is a man on the road. Here a, that is in red color, an example of article in determiners. Now demonstrative determiners, the example, this is my house. Here this is an example of demonstrative determiners. Another example, those birds are flying. Here those, that is an example of demonstrative determiner. Now interrogative determiner. Example, which house have you sold? Which house have you sold? Here which is an example of interrogative determiner. Another example, what name has he told? What name has he told? Here what is an example of interrogative determiners. Now, passive determiners. Passive determiners. Example, Rahul lives in my village. Rahul lives in my village. Here my is an example of passive determiner. And the example, I purchased his mobile. Here his is an example of passive determiner. Now quantifiers. Quantifiers, give me some money. Give me some money. This is an example of quantifiers determiners. Another example, I got no help from my parents. Here no is an example of quantifiers determiners. So this is about determiners we have studied. I hope you might have understood what is determiner and some examples of the determiners using the words in determiners in different categories. Thank you. Thank you very much.